Today, I'll show you how to link your Chime bank account to Venmo. This simple process will make transferring money between these two platforms a breeze. So, let's get started. First, you're going to grab your mobile device and open up the Venmo app. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it in your device's app store. Once you have it open, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on the Me tab. This is where you'll find your personal account settings. After you've tapped the Me tab, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings. Tap on that icon to open the settings menu. The settings menu is where you can adjust various account preferences, but for now, we're focusing on linking your bank account. Scroll down through the settings until you see Payment Methods. This is the section where you can manage your linked financial accounts. Tap on Payment Methods, and then choose the option that says Add a bank or card. This will open a new screen with options to add either a bank account or a credit or debit card. For this tutorial, you'll want to select Bank. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to verify bank manually. Tap on this option as it's the most straightforward way to connect your Chime account. Now, it's time to switch over to the Chime app. Open it up and navigate to your profile section. This is where you'll find all of your account details. Scroll down until you locate the account info section. Here, you'll find your routing number and account number. It's important to have these numbers handy as you'll need them in the next step. Head back to the Venmo app and carefully enter your Chime account details. Make sure you double-check the numbers to avoid any errors. If Venmo requires any additional verification steps, just follow the on-screen instructions. This might involve confirming small deposits or other security measures to ensure your account is properly linked. Once you've completed any necessary verification, your Chime bank account will be successfully linked to Venmo. This means you can now transfer funds between your accounts seamlessly, making it easier to manage your finances on the go. And that's it! You've successfully linked your Chime bank account to Venmo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.